Just a few months ago, anyone who saw this place would say, nothing can be done here. Garbage, jungle, and complete abandonment.
This is the real condition of the place. Snakes, insects, mosquitoes, everything is possible here.
This will be the swimming pool area, here will be the sitting space, and that side will have lighting and plants. The goal is a premium luxury look.
Safety comes first in a place like this. One small mistake can cause a big accident.
Years of garbage have piled up here. Without proper cleaning, nothing beautiful can be created. Years of garbage have piled up here. Without proper cleaning, nothing beautiful can be created.
Ground leveling is the most important part of building a pool. If the base is not perfect, everything will. This outline shows the exact shape of the pool. It may look simple, but the work ahead is massive.
This is where you realize dreams are built with hard work.
This base will carry the strength of the entire pool.
Luxury doesn't mean only beauty. It must be strong and long-lasting.
Now the pool is slowly taking its final shape.
Water leakage can destroy everything. This step is extremely important.
This color gives the pool its luxury identity.
At night, this pool will look absolutely stunning.
All the hard work was for this moment.
An abandoned place has now turned into a private resort.
Can you believe this transformation? This is the power of vision and effort.
Dream big, stay focused, and never be afraid to start. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.